Hey, what's up everybody, it's Memphis J here. I'm going to flip the phone back around, and I got a quick video on a way to have a kind of portable flat surface for pro pilots out there, but also for hobbyists. If your drone requires a flat surface to fly and you end up outside of your controlled environment, like out in the field often, then you got to figure out a way to make a flat surface. So this is what I do. This is a OSB, I think 1/2 inch OSB, and I cut it to, actually I can tell you exactly, I think it's 15 by 24, and that fits this Q500 really nicely. And so, you know, I need to get this a flat surface to load up on. So what I do, I bring trusty level, and I keep a few rocks in my case here, and I just check. You know, sometimes I start sideways like this, and I see in this case that level is right on already, but I'm going to move it a little bit and get it somewhere where it's not so easy. Again, that's perfect, but many times you find yourself out here and you're like this. Look, check out here, we got it. It's definitely not level over here to this side. If I figure out what way do I need to go, I need to bring this edge up to get that bubble in the middle. So I'm bringing this edge up with my hand, and then what I'm going to do is just slip a rock under there as far as I need to. Sorry for my bad camera work, but I'm going to slip a rock underneath there like that until I get flat on here. And I like to check it both ways. That looks pretty good here. If I really want to get technical, I could probably bring it up a little bit here, and that evens it out. So if I really want to get a little flat rock like this and slip it up under here, slip it up under there until you get it just right. Sometimes I lift it up. That's even better. So that's even. That's even. So, bonus for Q500 owners, you can cut two little strips out here. You can see the lines where I measured it, and then if I want to, I can strap these legs down with this, and I can put this whole contraption with propellers on in the back of here if I've got it cleaned out enough. So, you know, that helps me if, say, I set the bird up in this location and then I need to move my car, or I need to go, you know, to the other side of the building or something with my car, and I don't want to have to break down all the propellers, but I want a safe way to transport it. That makes a nice, level, safe place to transport it. So just wanted to do a quick video on how I make this work. Hope this will help somebody out there. I'm gonna get to work now because it's hot. Take it easy.